Lasizwe Dambuza rimming nasty C video and pictures leaked. Another video of Lasizwe Dambuza rimming rapper Nasty C breaks the internet and nation shocked. Lasizwe is the one who leaked the video to get a public attention. Thulasizwe Siphiwe Dambuza, known professionally as Lasizwe Dambuza, is a South African comedian, television personality, radio host, and actor. We posted the video on our site and later received court orders from their lawyers to remove it, but you can still watch it here. Thank you for your listening. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.